My name is Tarunesh from 10th E. I am going to explain the project of hydropower. Hydropower means the generating of electricity from the use of water. In rivers, when the flow of water is high, turbine starts to rotate, and mechanical energy changes into electrical energy, in which we can store in a powerhouse or some other electric purpose, and we can use for a domestic purpose. For this process is done to save coal like non-renewable resources. So this project India uses coal for generating electricity. It is not renewable resources. We can save such resources.